Hi friends, this video will show you how to fix critical process died in Windows 10, 8. Method 1, run an SFC scan. Right-click on the Start menu button, and choose Command Prompt Admin. Enter the following line, and press Enter, SFC scan no. Wait for the process to finish. It will take a few minutes. Restart your computer. Method 2. Download the latest driver updates. Bad drivers, or drivers that wrongly use memory, could also cause the critical process died Windows 10 error. Head to Device Manager, and make sure that absolutely all drivers are up to date, and compatible with Windows 10. Important driver updates, like graphics card or sound card drivers, are also delivered through Windows Update. All your drivers need to be updated, but doing it manually is very annoying, so we suggest to do it automatically. An automated updating tool will help you to avoid permanent damage to your PC caused by downloading and installing the wrong driver versions. We strongly recommend TweakBit's Driver Updater, approved by Microsoft and Norton, to automatically download all the outdated drivers on your PC. Method 3. Check your disk for errors. Start Command Prompt as administrator and type the chkdskc F command followed by Enter. Replace C with the letter of your hard drive partition. As a quick reminder, if you do not use the F parameter, chkdsk displays a message that the file needs to be fixed, but it does not fix any errors. The chkdsk F command detects and repairs logical issues affecting your drive. To repair physical issues, run the R parameter as well. Method 4. Run DISM to fix Windows 10 system image. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type the following command, DISM online cleanup image restore health. Hit Enter to run the command. Wait for it to perform the scan. The process can take up to 10 minutes to complete, sometimes even longer. After the DISM scan is completed, restart your computer. Method 5, run System Restore. Go to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than, click on Recovery under the left pane. Click on Get Started under Reset this PC greater than, choose to keep My Files.